Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning emergency alerts on or off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select Passwords and Security. In the Passwords and Security settings, tap Emergency Alerts. You can now choose which categories of alerts you will receive. Enable any of them by tapping the toggle and making it green. You can turn all alerts off here too if you want, by disabling them all. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.